Meanwhile, Makabayan Solons in the lower house won the final tranche of the 2013 PDAF to be realigned to enhance the government's poverty reduction program. The Makabayan Solons were among the first to call for the PDAF abolition. Here's Freddy Abando with the details.
The Makabayan Coalition in the House, composed of 7 progressive soldiers, started the crusade to abolish the Priority Development Fund. It was a long shot. Only a few of the 292 members of the House were ready to join their cause.
Ito ang sinasabi natin, nagkakatotoo na, pero hindi pa nga tapos yung laban, no? Dahil sinabi ni Pune, wala na raw PDAF, pero nandiyan pa rin yung pork barrel.
Alam natin na yung culture of patronage ay siya pa rin yung dominant culture among the politicians, among the trapos. Kaya malaki ang role talaga ng movement, malaki ang role ng action from outside Congress para matiyak.
It seemed lost in the beginning, but in recent weeks their voices gained widespread support from the people after revelations of the 10 billion peso Janet Napoles sports scam linked a list of legislators. It has triggered a national indignation. People from all walks of life came out in full force to express the nation's sentiment to abolish the PDAF, better known as the pork barrel. They rode bikes, marched with family and friends. No one was a stranger.
Makibaka na lang tayo, wag magbaboy. Ito ang lakad namin na para sa bayan, na mas-scrap. Actually, hindi naman mas-scrap. Gamitin lang sa tamang pamamaraan. Hindi yung maraming bogus na NGO.
Kawawa naman tayo mga mamamayan, nagbabayad ng tamang buwis. Winawaldas lang ng mga kung sino-sino dyan.
Social media was the key to the event. Facebook and Twitter led to the mobilization of Filipinos from all over the country and even overseas Filipinos to express the overall sentiment. The PDAF is riddled with corruption and promotes patronage politics. A great majority expressed their support for the president's decision to abolish the PDAF. Many are also concerned senators and congressmen will continue to have their own allocations, since there will still be a menu from which they will identify programs and projects for their constituents. For the proposed 2014 national budget, 25 billion has been allocated for the PDAF. President Aquino has already suspended the release of the final tranche of the PDAF for 2013. The Makabayan Coalition proposed to realign the said amount to enhance government's poverty reduction program, focusing on health, education, and livelihood opportunities.
I think it's a very definitive, strong message to President Aquino to reconsider recycling the pork barrel through Congress, through whatever mechanism.
Dapat yan yung pundong nakalaan dyan, ang mamasa PDAF. Barrel, channel sa essential services, kasama na po ang kalusugan, ang edukasyon, ang murang at disenteng pabahay para sa ating mga maramita.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.